Jerry's got the camcorder.
I got the video cam. There we go. Zooming in.
Yeah.
Emma, wave. You hear the birds? You hear the birds, Emma? See?
Do you think we have time to go down a little further? Or?
Yeah,
We do. It's only 10:20.
I have no idea what time it is.
you follow mommy. What she does, you do, okay?
Is he paddling?
Little athlete, Anna Rainsford.
Don't hit mommy in the head.
Show him how to do it.
Okay, this. Paddle this way.
Fun, you guys.
It's just nice inside a protected harbor. Makes it great.
There's a parade behind you.
You're the one that just ran us over? What? What's the matter? You want out?
What do you think, Emma? What do you think?
So you got the camera rolling?
Don't let your clothes get cold.
Oh,
Is that good?
good.
Wave.
There you go.
I could have put a little water
How's that?
on.
See?
Water shoes for her.
See, Emma? Wait, hold on. See?
It's so comfortable. It really is comfortable. And I
Got
like
it.
that there's not a bunch of traffic.
See? Oh no, don't play.
Fingerprints.
Naughty, are you?
But we need to,
No.
we're blowing into these boats here.
Uh-oh. Wait, hold on, Emma. We gotta move here.
Yeah, right here.
Right. Well, it is Saturday, May 14th, and we decided to take Emma on a little kayak adventure. So here she is, once again enjoying the water.
We were actually going to do this at Father's Day last year.
Beautiful out here.
And then something came up.
I think it's the first day of the boating season because they had a boat parade come by us in the harbor.
The day before.
And we're out here with the Rainsford family, and you can tell they're having fun too with their little daughter Anna.
Around to the left and go back to
See?
the same distance back, just the different scenery.
Daddy's watch.
Honey, we're just going to go around here.
You waving, Emma? Who are you waving at, Emma? Who do you see? Who do you see? Uh-oh, Emma's giving me the hungry sign.
The hungry sign? Uh-oh.
Do we serve food on these trips, Emma?
You know, I wish I would have known. I could have bought a red car.
Emma, what's that sound? Okay, we're quite fortunate to have with us today a very hardy crew. As you can see, Christine has the helm. She's learned to put her back into kayaking, learned that from her days in Hawaii. Emma here, of course, is our navigator. That's right, she's keeping an eye on everything, and she has two of her first mates. One is called Hop, and the other one's called Rough. And they're both looking a little green in the face right now. Okay, and then Dad back here provides the extra power that may be needed at any given time. Looks like we're about to run aground, so Daddy may have to pitch in here a second. Hold on. Let's cut to a commercial.
Well, look at the water.
Water. All kinds of excitement out here today. Oh, here come the Rainsfords. They've made the turn. They're coming dead
Are
on.
we going back, you guys? I'm sorry? Yeah. Yeah, let's go the other way now.
Turn around.
Not that it's...
Slow and steady gets the job done. Well, Emma survived. So did Mama.
Yes.
It appears the Rainsford family made it too.
All right.
Hold on, Hannah. Stand up until we tell you.
Sure, I'm going to miss you guys.
Promise me?